गुड मॉर्निंग. Starting the vlog finally. I am in my full energy now. Abhi just 2 days I was very sick, so I couldn't vlog anything. And uske pehle whatever happened was just common stuff, which you already saw in the first two vlogs. So yeah, now we are going to Mahabaleshwar. 13th and 14th we were asked to vacate the rooms because the room owner has some wedding, which is why he was like कि just we need it for 2 days. तो हमें बहाना मिल गया.
शो टाइम टाइम टू
हमें निकलने का था 7 बजे. It's 7:30 and
Aaron just got
people are not dressed yet.
a walking
Mask, show your face. Show your face. अरे
what a guy.
so far how many people have been sick? Me, this guy, not him, not him, not this guy also, not that guy also. Ishan, he was sick. Sumit किधर है?
Look at me now,
Sumit किधर है?
pink of my health.
So Sumit wherever he is, he was sick. Yes. हाँ, he is finally dressed. हम चारों को the sign symptoms were same: fever, diarrhea. That guy had it worse because he was like spewing vomit.
Spewing vomit, or spewing something else from the back
And why is that, Aaron?
because I had the dabba.
Running theory which we have is because of a dabba service we got that.
Actually, it's the misal pav you guys had.
It might be the missile, but that was 2 days ago.
Yeah.
My effect बहुत लेट आता है misal का.
मेरे को 4 दिन लेट आया, 4 या 5 दिन लेट आया. No. So the last to fall sick was me. First to fall sick was him.
And I was the most severe.
Most severe.
I was
Who wants to
spewing
eat
stuff.
bread and jam? Come now.
Me. It's 7:50, almost 8. हम लोग फिर भी इधर ही है.
मेरे को मत बोल.
हम लोग फिर भी इधर ही है. वो देखो ब्रश कर रहा है.
Hi guys. देखो मैं पता.
छाती क्यों फुला? What's the time?
It's time to party.
Stop for breakfast at Sai Fast Food Court.
Sai International is also best.
Okay.
All thanks to Ryan. Apparently this is his love.
And the second car people are here. Done with breakfast.
Jaden is a
Crash Royal.
Jaden is a creep. I'll tell you what he's doing. He's rubbing his arm like this.
You know
up
what
and down,
Samir
up and
is
down.
doing? Dude, he's touching my waist here for no reason. He's trying to tickle me and all
My
this.
hands
all
become
this,
oily.
all this.
Guys,
both of you all keep it in your pants.
But it's in our pants only.
His hands are also in his pants.
Yeah, exactly. No.
तो हम लोग पहुंच गए ईशान के घर पे. समीर गेट को लॉक है तो गाड़ी पार्क नहीं हो रही है. ईशान का वेट किया जा रहा है. मालक आले मालक आले मालक मालक दारूला मालक मालक लवकर हगाय लागले.
To go and get the key from now.
See this beautiful tank. It's come. My tank is there.
said like that is for the rare views, yeah.
How was it meeting Eddie after a few days?
Useless he is. He doesn't even come and give
Useless he
me
is.
affection.
एडी ने इधर मार्क कर दिया अपना एरिया.
Arey, this is
No, this
cooler
is car
than-
ka
Easy
thing.
Our poor fellow's not even that big to this shed out that much urine.
A few moments later.
What do you think about the food?
A few moments later.
अरे मुझे बहुत creepy लगता है. नहीं मत कर.
Let's go. Dun. Silog time.
Dude, think fast. Okay. Help us, mommy.
Yeah.
Sumit. Sapa है. Foot.
बहुत लोगों ने बोला है कि रात को ऐसे मतलब ठीक से बाहर मत निकलो वगैरह, क्योंकि इधर को मतलब बहुत लोगों को ऐसे कोई ना कोई तो दिखा है. तो अभी पता नहीं कि लोग सीरियस थे या क्या थे. बात वहाँ पे क्या है?
We are here in Mapro. हम लोग खा रहे हैं खाना in Mapro. Let's go.
For the win.
Now we'll go sit. We have to find Sumit, Ishan and all. Morning. कौन है इधर?
अंघोळ केली नाही, तोंड धुतलं नाही, ब्रश करायचं बाकी आहे. आता का व्लॉग देतोय? हॅलो.
You know what? Screw it. I'll just take a cold shower. I think I need that to wake me up. In hot water would have been nice.
किती वाजता झोपला?
11:30.
Still early.
Yeah, early.
Still early. Parth. कुची किती वाजता झोपला?
झोपलोच नाही.
कोई तो बोल रहा था महाबलेश्वर में आके चॉकलेट.
अच्छा है. चॉकलेट कौन खाता है यार? स्ट्रॉबेरी खाते स्ट्रॉबेरी. आइसक्रीम तो ठीक है वैसे.
आइसक्रीम कसा है?
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
I won't go more than that.
What is that face?
गरम पूरी.
स्ट्रॉबेरी खा के देख.
Like just imagine. अभी बोल रहा था it's very good. 4 स्कूप खाए मैंने.
Average at best.
Aaron Jain.
He's Aaron Jain.
I can't have non-veg. Can't have paneer masala, rice curd, dal khichdi, apples for me. Diarrhea is back.
We are here to play paintball.
Just do the toss now. He has a point.
Oh.
Never mind.
Proper.
It's the coin that Sanskar got me from Dubai.
So you either choose trophy.
No, the Aladdin's lamp you take or
Aladdin lamp. ये क्या है?
some written.
It's one.
Scripture.
I'll
Scripture
take
or
the lamp. I'll
lamp
take
or
the lamp.
scripture. You take lamp. ठीक है. I take
तू
scripture.
फेंक ऊपर.
हाँ.
Do I let it fall down or catch it in my hand?
Catch it in your hand.
हाँ,
Catch it in your hand.
Oh, very nice. Lamp.
Scripture.
Oh,
अरे wait,
hey,
reveal. समीर
I choose. Maybe the weakest player है भाई.
अरे नहीं बाबू
अरे I'm keeping this. ये क्या 18 रुपए का है ना?
I'll take Ishan. I want a nimble guy.
संस्कार
Shit. Then Jaden.
सुमित
Take Samir. Samir has been taken, no?
समीर मैंने लिया
Ryan, Europe.
I'm not playing.
Aaron, come.
मैं तो
A few moments later.
Hi. So we are now into the game like proper. And we are the team red.
and guns.
Say hi, Aaron. Team red. Morning. संस्कार.
Wait till I pull out my RPG.
अरे कोई तो आ रहा है, आतंकवादी आ रहे हैं देखो. ये. These are our enemies. How is the Josh? Hi. अरे बोला ना भाई. How is the Josh? Hi sir. मेरे टीम वाले तो बोलो यार. जोर से हाय सर बोलना है. How is the Josh?
We'll try to win.
Team Red is about to get smoked.
Meet the captain.
I'm shooting the 3 people that I will shoot in paintball. Nice.
Yeah, and I'll shoot.
You can try Sanskar. Take for blue teams is hand-to-hand combat.
Your hand.
You're about to get smoked.
अंदर ही होगा.
Let's see.
Mother.
Yes.
I'm worried for your children.
We have to be defensive.
We have to
No trigger happiness.
Right, people. Yeah, this is a paintball war going on, and Karthik's cheating. Game hasn't started. This is the final round. There was no videographer for the first round. First 2 rounds, I don't know who that is. Anyways, Parth. Let's go. The round starts. There is Parth in tactical position. That's Sanskar hiding behind, and there's Karthik. The other team has people I can't name right now. There's Jaden. There's Aaron. I guess. I think that's Ishan. And fierce war begins. Parth. And there goes one from Sanskar, and there's another shot from your own. There's bullets raining down. Who's it gonna be? Boom, another shot. And there's another shot from Sanskar. And Karthik hits another one. And there's rounds. And it's raining bullets, boys. Part goes another from Sanskar. And there is Sanskar changing cover, and he gets into cover. Dun. And their orders are being given from the red team. And shots fired from blue team, and there's bullets firing. I'm scared I'm gonna get hit. Dun. And the 2 of them in cover, and who's gonna get hit first? And there's Jaden, and Jaden hits. Laga, Parth said laga. Did it hit? Karthik says he hit. And Jaden's out. Blue team's 1 down. And there's shots being fired. Aaron's hit. Blue team's down by 2. Red team is dominating. Look at this. Look at the beauty. And he's running. I don't know who the guy is. He's taking cover. Legs wide open. And Ishan changes cover. He moves forward. Karthik looking for the leg. And blue team has another down. That makes it so only 1 remains. Who's behind that cover? Red team dominating. Can the lone blue guy get it done? Sanskar changing cover very slowly. Who's it gonna be? The blue guy. He is in tension. And boom. And he's under heavy fire. Will red team be able to do this? Red team's flanking him from all sides. Can they do it? Sanskar's out. He's out of bullets. देखो हम इंटर्नशिप पे
ईशान
This is the life.
उद्या जायचं म्हणणं आहे करत ना.
ये इंटर्नशिप
This is the life.
सबसे परे है भाई. ये सब चीज से परे.
रुक जा रहा धवल
क्या बोला?
लोकेशन प्लीज ब्रो.
धवल लोकेशन प्लीज
सो अभी तक इंटर्नशिप में व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स हैव वी डन एंड हैव वी सीन हैपनिंग?
ऐसा I am देता हूँ.
Good sunsets is number one. Number one.
A lot of strawberry cream.
Lot of strawberry cream. Number two.
Strawberry ice cream.
Lot of strawberry ice creams. Then lot of
Lot of fog.
I am.
lot of road. Lot of food. Lot of good food and bad food choices. Jogging. Everyone is doing good. सब लोग भाग रहे हैं, सब लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं, except me right now because I am not healthy. I am not full fit.
You think
I'm still-
anyone, I mean most of us are.
I still have so like I cannot
Something that is such a
run.
Such a good thing to put in the vlog. Oh, guys,
हाँ मैं वो म्यूट करूँगा म्यूट करूँगा obviously because whenever I say a word or anyone says a word the image comes into mind. I don't want you getting a image of nice sunset over there. Epic place thanks to Ishan. Ishan is our Malak landlord Malak. Ram Malak.
This guy is vlogging all the time. We respect him. We respect the vlog. Thank you, sir.
6 साल बाद हम देखेंगे हम महाबलेश्वर में क्या कर रहे थे.
Ryan phone.
काम कर रहे हैं पढ़ रहे हैं बढ़ा रहे हैं देश का GDP बढ़ा रहे हैं
क्या कर रहे हैं.
देश का GDP बढ़ा रहे हैं and we are also selling poultry.
बाहर से भाई 5 का डेट बाकी अपना.
वो ट्रीट बाप रे the street is not like letting me go भाई. second year से people are like asking me for treats.
किसको अभी तक
एक दिन दो मुझे treats.
एक सेकंड तूने दिया किसको अभी तक treat?
भाई मैं everyday देता था मैकडी में.
Is this truth guys? Comments में लिखना.
Everyday नहीं but देता था.
कभी नहीं मैकडी में कभी पूछा ही नहीं मैंने.
एक सेकंड गाइस कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो कितने बार इसने ट्रीट दिया है.
किसको ट्रीट दिया अगर ट्रीट दिया
और
कमेंट
उसका जेंडर
करो.
रेशियो भी देखना उसमें.
Time to leave. This guy is sleeping. This guy is trying to sleep.
Vlog and take this
Watch
watermelon.
this. डोरेमोन देख रहा है और मेरे को बोल रहा है मेरे को सपना मतलब उसको सपना भी एनिमेटेड आया.
और मैं उसमें पतला था.
उसमें पतला था नोबिता था और उसको
गाइस वो लोग को ये देख रहा है
अरे,
क्या?
हो गया कल वो हो गया. और तेरे को एज नोबिता क्या मिला?
शिजुका.
ड्रायव्हर इज हिअर अँड आमचे मालक दरवाजे लॉक करतात.
Meet Bhagwati Develo. I think touch her.